Welcome to High School Chemistry. This year you will be exploring the major theories and concepts of chemistry. I am your teacher, Katie Mann. I have a bachelor's in ecology and environmental studies from Tulane in New Orleans. I have a master's of education from Mueller. I have worked as a park ranger at the Grand Canyon, the Blue Ridge Parkway, the Great Smoky Mountains, Lake Umbagog, Hacienda Burr in Central America. I've also worked for Terracon Engineering and Duke Energy. Have 4 kids, 1 dog, and 1 husband. I enjoy hiking and traveling. So let's get to it. Chemistry occupies an intermediate position between physics and biology. It is sometimes called the central science because it provides for understanding both the basic and the applied scientific disciplines at a fundamental level. We will explore various careers in chemistry. We will investigate problems related to societal and personal issues. Some examples of scientific disciplines are chemistry, plant chemistry or botany, the igneous rocks or geology, the atmospheric ozone, how it's formed and pollutants interact or ecology, the properties of the soil and the moon or astrophysics, how medications work or pharmacology, and how to collect DNA evidence at a crime scene or forensics. I've posted the syllabus along with information on Google Classroom, so please take a look at it for more information about rules and grading. Chemistry is the scientific discipline involved with compounds composed of atoms. Chemistry explores the composition, structure, properties, behavior, and changes atoms undergo during reactions. Let's talk about safety. In order to be a member of this class, you and your parent or guardian will be asked to read and sign a safety contract. This is a science classroom and you will be surrounded by expensive and potentially dangerous materials on a daily basis. So we have to sign that contract, and also you are expected to keep a chemistry notebook specifically for this class. Bobby Knight, a basketball coach, said, "The will to succeed is important, but what's more important is the will to prepare." I've put up a link in Google Classrooms, that's this YouTube video about this gentleman talking about that quote and what it means to him. So I would like to know what you think of it and what it means to you. And during our next class, we'll discuss how to succeed and how to prepare for chemistry. Thank you, and as always, please do email me or contact me.